It's good to see you.
Same here.
How are you?
I'm fine, and you?
I'm also fine. How's your life?
It's good in your life?
It's awesome.
It's awesome. Okay. What's your name?
My name is Apurva Sharma.
Apurva. Apurva, tell me, where do you belong to?
I belong to Farrukhabad.
Farrukhabad. May I know the locality? Where do you put up?
I put up at Abbas because
Oh, in Farrukhabad. What's your father?
my father is a doctor.
Okay, and your mother?
My mother is a housewife.
Housewife. How many siblings do you have?
I have two siblings.
Okay, they are students?
They are students.
Okay, you belong to a joint family or a nuclear family?
I belong to nuclear family.
Okay, so do you have any village?
I have a village.
Where?
Neem Karoli.
Neem Karori. So have you visited Neem Karori?
I have visited Neem Karoli.
How many times you have visited there?
When I go to my village, I visited many times.
Okay. Whenever you go to village, you visit there. Okay. So is there any temple in Neem Karori?
Yeah, sir. There is many temples.
There are many
There are
temples.
many temples, but I forget the name.
Okay. So the Neem Karori is in Farrukhabad or it comes in other district?
I think in other district.
Which one?
I think Ahmedabad.
No, that's not district. It comes in Farrukhabad. Mohammadabad is also the part of Farrukhabad. What have you done?
I have done 5th.
You have done 5th. And now what are you pursuing?
I'm pursuing 6th.
You are pursuing 6th. Are you happy with the classes of American?
I'm happy with the classes of American.
Okay, do you enjoy American classes?
I enjoyed American classes.
Okay. When do you celebrate your birthday?
When do you?
Yes.
I celebrate my birthday on 23rd April.
And how do you celebrate it?
I celebrate my birthday by cutting cakes and inviting my friends and get the blessings
Okay.
of my families.
Okay, but you have never invited me in your birthday
So I forget
to invite.
because it's children's party. So my friends will come only.
Okay. So next time will you invite me?
Yes, of course I will invite you.
Okay. So what will you treat me? You will treat me cake or you
I
will...
treat you cake also and many things, but you have to do dance also.
Acha, I have to dance also in the party.
So,
Okay. So are you coming in holy party?
yes, of course I will come on the party.
Okay. What will you do in holy party?
I will do dance.
Okay, you will do dance. Do you know dancing?
Yes, sir, I know dancing.
What are your hobbies?
My hobby is singing, studying, dancing, crafting, many more.
Many more. Okay. Are you a good student?
In my opinion, I'm good, but it depends on teachers that I'm good or not.
You are good or not? In what school you study?
I'm studying in Guru Word School.
And what class are you in now?
I'm in 6th.
Okay, you are in 6th standard. What do you want to be?
I want to be a doctor.
Why?
Being a doctor is my dream. And being an IS officer, my parents' dream. That I will
Okay.
be a
So
both.
what would you go for? Matlab, you would go for doctor or you'd go for
Both.
both? Matlab, how would you manage?
My mother said that if I being a doctor, I will do that the doctor will do, and after that I will prepare also of IS officer exams. Then I will give the test. If I will pass, so I've got 2 jobs. I will choose an IS officer. If I didn't got, so I have a career that I can do that work.
Okay. Do you get up early in the morning?
So today only at 5 o'clock, but daily I get up at 6 o'clock.
Okay. Do you believe in God?
I believe in God.
You believe in God. Do you worship
I worship.
daily?
Yes, I did. In morning my father did, and night I did.
Okay. So did you attend the class on Saturday?
I think I attended the class on Saturday.
You think? Matlab, you're not sure about it.
Yes, I forget because I went to my bua's house and we play and we forget.
Okay. So tell me, how old are you?
I'm 11 years old.
You're 11 years old. Okay. Do you speak English with your friends?
I speak English with my friends and also family.
What is the importance of English in your life?
There is one point that my sister, she also studied from American. That
She?
She went Kota
Okay.
There is only that person go that who know how to speak English, and she know because she studied, she learned spoken English from here, and her father didn't know that how we can manage, but she can manage that. If we know English, we can manage all things.
Okay. So you mean to say that without English we are nothing?
No, sir.
We cannot manage without English. Do you want to go abroad?
Yeah, sir.
It's your desire or it's your dream?
It's my dream.
It's your dream. Which is your favorite country?
Paris, I think.
You think?
Yeah, sir, because there are many places to visit, but I like Paris.
You like Paris. What is famous in Paris?
That I don't know, but I think all say that Paris is a good place. In Paris, we can see many things. That I want to go Paris. That's
Okay. So you want to go there by tempo or by airplane?
not tempo, sir. By aeroplane, I will go.
You will go by airplane. Have you ever traveled by aeroplane?
Sir, never.
You have never traveled by
There
aeroplane.
are no places to travel by aeroplane. That's
Okay. As you said that you study in 6th standard, so in your English, passive is started in school.
no, sir.
So do you know passive?
Sir, as you teach that I know, but care means fully I don't know that what is.
Okay. If suppose that if I ask you some questions from passive chapter, will you be answer?
Sir, I will try to give you the answer.
Okay. Tell me, are you being taught?
I'm being taught.
You are being taught. So where are you being taught?
I'm being taught in America.
You are being taught in American. Acha, who are you being taught by?
I'm taught.
I'm being taught.
I'm being taught by Vikas Sir Nigam.
Okay. Acha, who is Vikas sir?
He's the director of American Institute.
Okay.
So
Where
you're
is he?
talking about yourself.
Acha, I'm talking about myself. Oh, good. Thank you. Acha, what do you like in American Institute?
Sir, first thing that everyone like that how the American teaches. I think American teaches in a good way,
Thank
in
you.
a easy way. Because if we are talking about school, there is a many chapters like related to grammar. We didn't understand, but in American we can understand.
Okay. Are you buttering?
I'm not buttering, sir.
You're not buttering.
I'm saying right.
Okay, you are saying it right. Do you tell a lie?
Sometime I tell a lie, but when we are doing party, we didn't invite anyone. And when we collect our money, and we said, when my mother Bua asked where you collect this money, we said we collect money from Granny. She said
From Gyani.
Granny.
Acha, from Granny. Okay.
She said we asked. We said no, don't
Okay.
ask.
Where your granny lives? Here or in village?
In village, she got fever and she had many weaknesses. That's why she is admitted in this hospital.
Who do you come to American with?
I come to American with my siblings.
How do you come to American?
I come to American by cycle.
And how often do you come to American?
I come to American once a day.
Once a day. How long does it take to come to American?
It takes 10 minutes to come to American by cycle.
By cycle it takes. If suppose you come by, if you come on foot, then how long will it take?
If I come to American
On foot?
on foot, it will take 15
Around.
minutes because I also go to many places, like shop like this.
Mother, you do not come directly. Okay. What cycle do you have?
I have Atlas.
Okay, you have Atlas. So your father bought you that cycle for American, I think.
Yes, sir.
Huh?
Yes, sir.
So you guys have 3 cycles or?
I have 2 cycles. It is how to say both are equal. Yes.
Okay.
Both are equal.
Okay. What do you think, that you speak better or your sister speaks better?
So in my opinion, my sister speaks better. Means all speak better.
All speak better. Good. Acha, who is the most naughty person in your family? Your brother or your sister? Or you?
Sir, because I pull the legs of my sister.
Oh, you pull the leg. So pulling the leg is a good habit or a bad habit?
I think it is bad habit, but in comedy it will go.
It will go. Do you like comedy?
Yes, sir.
Acha, do you like the comedy in the classroom?
Sir, when you do comedy,
Acha, when I do comedy, or when Rishi sir does comedy?
he is the Doraemon, sir. You are
Rishi is the Doraemon. Very good, very good. Okay, tell me, are you in the habit of something? Like, are you in the habit of...
I have in the habit of cracking the fingers.
Okay, you're in the habit of cracking the fingers. So it's a good habit or a bad habit?
It's a bad habit because we do it in class, so class has been disturbed. Yeah, if we do anyway, it is good.
Okay. How long have you been speaking English?
I've been speaking English since I joined American.
So before joining American, you did not used to speak. Okay, very good. So that means you are satisfied with the classes of American.
Yes, sir. I'm satisfied with the classes of American.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.